Most people know turmeric as a bright yellow powder used to spice up curries, but there's far more to this golden root than meets the eye. Behind its rich color lies the power to influence over 100 biological functions in the human body. Used in ancient medicine for centuries, turmeric's healing properties are only now being fully appreciated by modern science. In today's video, we'll explore 7 science-backed health benefits of turmeric that might surprise you. Stick around until the end to find out exactly why this humble spice deserves a permanent spot in your daily routine. And remember, before making any changes to your diet, it's always wise to consult a healthcare provider. Number 1. Boosts brain function naturally. Turmeric doesn't just benefit the body, it works wonders for the mind. One of its standout properties is the ability to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a key protein responsible for forming and maintaining healthy neurons. Think of BDNF as brain fertilizer. It strengthens neural pathways, sharpens focus, and enhances memory. As we age, BDNF levels tend to drop, which can lead to mental fog and cognitive decline. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps counter this process by stimulating new connections in the brain. Another compound, aromatic turmerone, encourages the growth of neural stem cells, offering hope in recovery from brain injuries and degenerative diseases. In short, turmeric supports long-term brain resilience and sharpness. Number 2. Fights chronic inflammation. Persistent inflammation is often at the root of many chronic conditions. It's the result of the immune system staying in high alert even when there's no real threat. Turmeric helps reset that system. Curcumin works by blocking NF-κB, a molecule that triggers inflammation in cells. When this molecule is left unchecked, it keeps the body in a constant state of low-grade inflammation, which can lead to joint pain, fatigue, and more. By reducing NF-κB activity, turmeric effectively soothes inflammation without shutting down immune function like many synthetic drugs do. Another compound, turmeric, helps regulate immune response so your body can still fight infections without going overboard. This balanced approach makes turmeric ideal for managing inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, IBD, psoriasis, and even complications from COVID-19, as supported by clinical studies. Number 3. Supports liver detox and health. The liver is your body's detox powerhouse, working tirelessly to cleanse toxins, break down fats, and process nutrients. But a poor diet, stress, and pollution can weigh it down. Turmeric gives the liver a helping hand. It does this by boosting glutathione, one of the body's most essential antioxidants. Glutathione helps detoxify harmful substances like alcohol, drugs, and heavy metals. Unfortunately, its levels can decline due to age or stress. That's where turmeric shines. Curcumin triggers liver enzymes that produce and recycle glutathione, helping the liver operate more efficiently and protecting it from oxidative stress. Regular intake of turmeric has been shown to reduce liver inflammation and even prevent conditions like fatty liver disease, according to research published in MDPI. Number 4. Promotes heart health. When it comes to cardiovascular health, turmeric takes on multiple roles. It helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key trigger in the development of arterial plaque. Oxidized LDL leads to narrowed arteries and raises the risk of heart disease and stroke. Turmeric's natural antioxidants prevent this harmful transformation. It also reduces platelet aggregation, which means it keeps blood from clumping too easily. While clotting is essential to stop bleeding, excessive clotting can cause serious heart problems. Curcumin helps strike the right balance, preventing unnecessary clot formation while maintaining normal healing responses. Together, these benefits lead to better circulation, cleaner arteries, and a healthier heart. Number 5. Improves digestion and gut health. Your gut is more than just a digestive system. It's linked to everything from mood to immunity. Turmeric supports digestive health by enhancing bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. When bile flow is slow, it can lead to bloating, gas, and poor nutrient absorption. Curcumin stimulates the gallbladder to release more bile, improving digestion and reducing discomfort. It also soothes the gut lining and helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. According to MDPI, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties show promise in managing gastrointestinal conditions and promoting gut health. Number 6. Enhances skin from the inside out. If you're looking for clear, youthful skin, turmeric might be your secret weapon. It's packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and accelerate aging. Turmeric also helps restore the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture and protecting against environmental irritants. By encouraging the production of ceramides, the lipids that hold skin cells together, turmeric keeps your skin hydrated, resilient, and glowing. Whether you struggle with acne, dryness, or signs of aging, the compounds in turmeric offer deep nourishment that supports the skin's healing and renewal processes from within. Number 7. Supports a healthy metabolism. A sluggish metabolism can make it hard to lose weight or maintain energy levels. Turmeric helps speed things up by activating AMPK, AMP-activated protein kinase, an enzyme known as the metabolic master switch. When AMPK is activated, your body burns stored fat for energy instead of hoarding it. Curcumin turns on this switch, promoting better energy use, fat burning, and even reducing fat storage. Over time, this can lead to healthier weight management and increased vitality, especially when paired with a balanced diet. If you're thinking of adding turmeric to your daily life, whether through food or supplements, just make sure to check with your healthcare provider first.